All right, guys, gonna bring you in on a little quick project here. Trim cleaner and a towel on these metal bumpers is an unbelievable combination. So it's not gonna be a big, long video, but what I do on these metal bumpers, they get grimy, they get dirty, all that kind of stuff. And take it, I'm gonna apply a little pressure here, okay? So restoring metal bumpers on your Jeep, Bronco, whatever you got, trim cleaner is a nice way to bring some life back into these things. It's okay that I sprayed it on here because actually I like a little bit of the product to soak in, okay? These are not horribly bad, but they were. We've used this on a couple times after I actually tested trim cleaner product on this, believe it or not. And these always look new with just a little bit of elbow grease and trim cleaner. Good off the label type of use. A lot of people don't think about these bumpers and how to restore them. And I know a lot of you guys that have them, these things can look pretty ugly. This has some mileage on it, this Jeep 392. And just like that, we've restored some life back in. And like I said, this is just gonna be a quick video, guys, but I get asked all the time about like off-label uses or how I use stuff. Trim cleaner to me is the no-brainer on metal parts on your off-road vehicle. Just something that we don't come across all the time. But when we do, trim cleaner is a really nice product. Like I said, when you're working on these metal bumpers, make sure you put a little bit of elbow grease in them. And there we go. Like I said, just go over your work. We got some spots here that are just, this is just nicked up. That's what it's here for, to kind of get the use and use and abuse and do her again. But this one's getting on a transport truck here in the next 12 hours. So just kind of doing some prep work. This one's headed to Florida. So it is going to be ready to go. So now we'll start doing the other little metal parts now. I'll bring you along for that. So this is just a nice way if you want to restore, quickly, but if you also just want to keep them looking good, you're out on the trail or you've just neglected them a little bit. To me, this is a really simple way to keep this stuff looking great. And then just start working yourself down. Pretty unique product. This has black wheels on it as well, matte. Great way to restore black matte wheels when you're done cleaning them up. For anybody that has those on their vehicle, doesn't matter what type of vehicle. Satin, black, gunmetal. It's kind of looking worse for wear. We had somebody tell us they cleaned up white powder coated wheels with trim cleaner. So just make sure you're using this product to its full potential if you haven't tried it. This product's pretty versatile for the things that I come up against. I'll go over, move this door and get that other side. Once I'm done here, got a black hitch here, just cleaning it up. Like I said, this thing's getting on a transport truck, so I just want to get it looking right. I'm not going to see it for a while. Just a great way to keep these bumpers looking great or get them looking great again. Nice even finish.